Hey guys, what's up? Tim here, in the truck, as usual, driving, which is why I called this little program Ride and Rant or Drive and Drone. Take your pick. They are both applicable. Basically what I do is I talk about real estate as I drive. So it should be the real estate Ride and Rant show. Whatever. Hey, today, talking a little bit about home improvement, and more specifically, will you get a return on your investment if you fix up your house? Now, this kind of goes with a video that I did the other day about people will walk into a house and just look at things and talk about how dated it is. Everybody was giving me crap about it's dated. It's dated. This is who puts orange carpet in a house? Well, nobody now, but back a few years ago it was quite the rage. But one of the questions I do get a lot seriously is if my house is dated and I want to put some money into it, is that a good idea? And my response is always, well, it is a good idea. Number one, if it will help the house sell faster for more money, and you will get a return on your investment. There are different things that you can do, of course, that are going to determine whether or not it is a good investment. Updating a kitchen, always a good investment. The kitchen is probably the heart of every home. If you do spend the money updating the kitchen, chances are you are going to get your money back. That is a good investment. Same with a master bath. If your master bathroom is old and dated and you want to go in and you want to take out the ugly ass blue tile and Formica countertops, and you want to put in something much more modern, tile or marble, granite, what have you, chances are you are going to get a return on your investment if you do a master bath. Now, if you're just doing a Jack and Jill bath or a hall bath, you know, other than getting the ugly dated paperwork, paper wallpaper off, paper wallpapers, that was just a glitch in the video. That wasn't my mouth. Getting rid of the ugly wallpaper, putting on a new coat of paint, you know, that sort of thing, it will help sell the house, but it is not really going to increase the value tremendously, and you're not really going to get a return on your investment. If you go into a house and let's say your house is 20 years old and it's still got the original carpet, it's got the wallpaper that was all the rage in the 80s and the 90s, I would paint over that. I would pull up that carpet, maybe put down a different type of flooring. It's not going to increase the price or the return dramatically. However, it will help the house sell quicker, I think, and probably for more money. But would I go in and put $100,000 into a house, just trying to get the value of that house up $50,000? No, that's a sideways, or actually an upside down investment. But you know, you can do the cosmetic things, you know, little things. Again, paint is easy. You can paint. You're not too good. Replacing some flooring, you know, sprucing up the outside. This is one area where a lot of people, they focus so much on the inside, they forget the curb appeal. You know, for a couple of $100, you can beautify your yard and increase the curb appeal, and really, in my mind, increase the value exponentially. Rather than just, you know, going in and you don't want to put a $25,000 kitchen in a $100,000 home. It's just not going to return. You've also got to keep in mind that not only the price of the house, the value of the house, but who is going to be buying that house. All right. People who buy $75,000, $80,000 houses do not expect granite. They do not expect Italian marble in the bathroom. So I think one of the worst things you could do is invest money fixing up a house that you then become the most expensive house on the street, because your chances of you getting your money back out of that are very slim. So there you go. Minor repair. If you can spend a few $100s and increase the value of the house by $1,000, why not? If you can spend $15,000 on a kitchen and increase the house value by $25,000, why not? Otherwise, you might be just as well off selling the house as is and letting the new owners put the cash in to fix it up. I'm a big fan of as is. I am kind of the king of as is. A lot of my listings are as is, because people nowadays, they like to buy a house and make it their own. That's the new catchphrase. I want to make this house my own. Well, hell, if you buy it, it's yours. You own it. It's a simple deal. Hey, that's going to do it. If you would like some help or some advice on your house, on whether or not you should put the money in to make some improvements, let me know. I'd be more than happy to drop by and give you my somewhat expert opinion on whether or not you should make that investment. And hey, keep in mind, if I can help you in any way when it comes to buying or selling a house, I'm your guy. Give me a call, 256-679-0704, or look me up on the web, timknox.com.